Welcome to Quality Analysis. I am one of your contact persons in sales and am pleased to introduce you to the field of chemical analytics. We are an accredited and independent test laboratory in accordance with DIN 17025. All our processes are in compliance with the standards. The close cooperation between the sales department and the individual divisions, as well as the short communication channels, lead to an ideal understanding of your tasks as a basis for our quotation preparation and order execution. Access authorization to our individual departments ensure confidentiality.
Herzlich willkommen im Fachbereich der
Welcome to the Department of Chemical Analytics. Here, we focus on the identification and quantification of chemical substances and materials using different analytical methods from the wet chemical and instrumental analysis.
instrumentellen Analytik. Unsere Ergebnisse
Our results influence product development, quality monitoring, and quality control, as well as validation and optimization of processes. We identify materials, residues, contaminations, and inclusions of component surfaces. In the following, I would like to present a representative cross-section of industrial applications. Of course, we also serve many other industries such as medical and food technology. For the comprehensive qualitative and quantitative analysis of inorganic and organic substances, the following analytical technologies with state-of-the-art analytical systems are available: spectroscopic analysis, thermal analysis including coupling with gas chromatography and FTIR, scanning electron microscopy and elemental analysis, Karl Fischer titration and comprehensive water analysis. As a supplement to technical cleanliness, we perform analysis to determine the harmfulness. To identify metallic and mineral particles, we use the fully automated scanning electron microscopy with EDX. Through fully automated analysis with Raman spectroscopy, we identify organic particles, fibers, and polymers. Raman inactive particles are analyzed by FTIR. At quality analysis, filmic contamination can also be examined. For this purpose, we have various analysis options at our disposal. Using testing, fluorescence measurement, and Raman or FTIR, we can analyze filmic contamination directly on the component surface. The identification and qualification of the filmic contamination is performed after extracting the residues from the component. For this purpose, the dissolved extracts are analyzed in combination with individual analytical steps, such as rotary evaporation, gravimetry, infrared spectrometry, GCMS, and GCFID. We combine various analytical methods for the comprehensive examination and characterization of plastics. With Raman and FTIR spectroscopy, materials can be identified easily and quickly. Both methods complement each other and provide a spectrum which is characteristic for the specific vibrations of a molecule, a molecular fingerprint, so to speak. We obtain information about the type of plastic and possible impurities. Further material characterization is performed using thermal analysis methods. Using differential scanning calorimetry, we determine characteristic values such as melting and glass transition temperatures, enthalpies, or degrees of crystallinity and specific heat capacity. These characteristic values provide information on material identity and formulation components, modifications, purity, and additional components, thermal history, tempering effects, and degree of curing. With the thermogravimetric analysis, we quantify material components such as polymers and softener contents, as well as filler material contents and residual mass. In addition, the thermal decomposition behavior as well as decomposition temperatures can be determined. For the gas analysis during the thermogravimetric pyrolysis, a coupling with FTIR and gas chromatography is possible, thereby escaping decomposition products and volatile components can be identified. Using SEM-EDX analysis, fillers and additives in the plastic, as well as the residues of the residual mass, can be classified more precisely after thermogravimetric analysis. Gas chromatography can be used to analyze plastic samples for volatile organic compounds. After extraction, the substance mixtures are chromatographically separated into the individual substances and then identified and, if necessary, quantified using the mass spectrometer. Possible analyses are softeners, vulcanizing agents, solvents, and oils. By combining different analytical systems, we obtain extensive information for the characterization of plastics. We determine the water content of different samples using the automated Karl Fischer titration. Depending on the task and the sample material, we either use the coulometric method with oven technology or the classical volumetric method. For the coulometric titration, we are equipped with a vial furnace with a sample tray of 36 vials. In the field of water analytics, we analyze water mixed process water, including periodic tests in accordance with DGUV 109003. It covers a wide range of parameters such as pH value and conductivity, the water hardness, the BOD, COD, and the TOC, as well as the determination of, for example, nitrite, nitrate, and sulfate. We also perform turbidity measurements according to EN ISO 7027 and photometric color measurements according to EN ISO 7887. This was a brief insight into our laboratory and our main areas of analysis. Of course, all our analysis systems can also be used for other applications and tasks. The results are prepared by our experts in a detailed test report. This way, you receive optimal support for your problem or task. We will be pleased to advise and accompany you via web meeting, remote support, or personally on site. We hope we could offer you a comprehensive overview. Please feel free to contact us if you have any outstanding questions. We look forward to addressing your concerns. Further information can be found on our website.